everyone, it's Jill Cornelius, creative partner number 247096, and it's that time. It's time to show you the Kiwi Club kit. Mine came in actually last Tuesday. I had some things I was working on, so I'm a little bit behind. Anyway, let's get to showing the box. Here's the box. It's time to make time to play to create. On the top of each box, there's the digital idea book QR code. You scan it with your phone and it'll bring you to the digital idea book for Simple Summer Delights, which is the theme for this month's kit. So I've already opened the box. I haven't pulled anything out yet. Let's open it up. Here it is in all its glory. Yay! As you can see, all the kits have these great page protectors in it. They keep the corners so they don't curl or rip or tear, actually. First impressions of the kit when opening it up is, look at the cute crab. Okay, we really need to take a closer look at this. Let's look at the templates first. I usually do the papers, but I'm going to do the templates first because that's what everyone really wants to look at. If you're interested in the templates, I'm going to have a link down below to my website, to the shop website, to the Kiwi Club kit website, where you can choose which Kiwi Club kit is great for you. There is the template only set, which is just the templates, just like it says, or the Premier, which is the templates, the paper, and any title cards that they were made in. So these are the templates. It's called, what is it called? Sun into Fun. And there are 6 templates in this set. Really, really cute. I'm going to turn the paper upside down so that you can see them as I pull them out. First is this swoosh. Really cool. You know what you could use the swoosh for? You could use it for a smoke from a fireplace or something like that. You use it as a wave. You could use it for the wind. So many different things that you could use it for. We have an ice cream cone. We have another cone. This is the sugar cone. I like sugar cones. I don't like waffle cones. And it has these embossing designs, or you can use ink or pen or whatever, but I might emboss it, just turn it upside down on the project and do it that way. We have an ice cream top that you can put on top of the sugar cone. We have the drippy ice cream, really, really cute. And we have the crab. Crab is really, really cute. Let's measure them. The swoosh is 9, just 9 1/8. Okay. The crab, almost 3 by about 2 3/4. The ice cream top, 2 5/8 by 2. The sugar cone, just about 2 by 2, 2 by 2. The great thing about this ice cream thing is you could layer. You could have a triple scoop if you want, or a double scoop, different flavors, mint chocolate chip and chocolate. That would be good. And then you have the drippy, which is just under, well, 1 3/8 by 2. And the waffle cone, I'm going to call it a waffle cone, is 1 1/8 by just about, well, 1 7/8. So that's pretty cool. But I love the drippy, I love the cone, I love the swoosh, I love the kit. Well, I love the templates so far. The rest of the kit, I will tell you how I feel. Okay, let's do, well, I haven't gone over the insert yet. On the insert, it tells you what templates are included. The Sun and Fun template set. There's 6 pieces to that. This kit's theme is Summer Ice Cream Beach. Okay, there's a QR code for the PDF. The pairings that this set would go good with: Happy Trails, Summer, and Shine. Now, if you're wanting something that's been put into the vault, go get it. Here's a scrapbooking challenge. You hashtag Create with Kiwi Lane. You do your layout and you hashtag them, and you could win $25. Not from me, but from them. The kit includes 12 by 12 80-pound pattern paper sheets, 7 title cards, a Sun and Fun designer template, which are those, and 2 title die cuts, which we'll get to shortly. Okay, so there's all the papers, the templates, the title cards here. Those are all on this cute little insert for the club kit. Let's go through the papers. I'll take these corners off. I actually saved these. I have a box full of them. I don't know why I'm saving them. I just thought it would be something fun to do. So let's go through the papers. I'll do the side A, side B, and I give you my preference because everyone can share their opinion, right? So side A, these cute little crabs, really, really cute. Side B, I like them both, but for a beach page, I'm going to go with the crabs. Really, really cute. What? Okay, sorry. Next page, side A is a blue pattern paper. Side B, the stripe. I like them both, but I'm going to go with side A. The next pattern is a green. There's a very faint print in there, if you can see it. Sorry if you can't, I'm trying. So that's side A. Side B, pretty yellow. I'm going to go with side B. The next one is ice cream. You could use this paper for just a night of ice cream, an ice cream social, ice cream parties, dessert, just fun family gatherings to go get an ice cream cone. I have ice cream almost every night, so this could come in handy. So this is side A. Side B. Oh, this is a tough one. I like them both. I really do. So I might use 6 by 12 sheet on one layout and a 6 by 12 on the other. That's the only way I can compromise. Oh, sprinkles. This is so cute. Really, really cute. Sprinkle paper. Really, really cute. Side A. Side B. I like the sprinkles, but I like the pink also. Has a faint diagonal print in it. So I'm going to go with both. Surfboards. This would coordinate well with the summer template set. Surfboards in different colors. Really, really cute. Side A. Side B. Ooh, this is pretty too. Has little sunshines in them. And that would go with the summer template set also. Really, really cute. So I could do both of those. Okay, for this next one, you get you get two sheets of this blue. Has a chevron pattern in it. Really, really cute. So this is side A. I'm going to show you side A. And this is side B. I like them both. I could use both. So I'm thinking it's both. As you can see, that there are a lot of papers in this kit that I would use both sides of, which is really, really strange. Usually I'm a side A or side B. So this is 2 more sheets of this. Side A, there's a chevron paper in this also. Side A. Oh, side B. Yeah, I'm going to have to use one of each of these too. That blue is really, really pretty. And then you get 2 more sheets, 2 of these. Blue. Okay. I really, really like this shade. It's one of my favorite shades. I love this paper. Oh, side A. Side A, that's what I like, side A. So, it was a mixture, you know, but most of the papers I like both sides. So there's that. And then we get this cool package of title cards. Let's open it up. I did create some layouts using the sloth kit from April. Is it April? Yeah, April. And I have just a few things left to do to those to finish them up. I have some titles to do. So I'm going to share those when I'm done with them. So I'll probably be doing a layout share here in a little while. So here's the first title card. It's called Sweet Memories. And when they do these shaped title cards, there's nothing on the other side. So that's really, really nice. I like that. Next one is Summer. Has the crab in there. That's really cute too. Crabby Cute. Really cute. Oh, Crababsolutely Awesome. Okay, I like both of those. Happiness. Oh, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy ice cream, and that's pretty much the same thing. Yep, I'll agree with that one. Life is like an ice cream. Enjoy it before it melts. Otherwise, all you get is milk. And these titles that you can use to trace the templates over, and you can put them on templates. These are cute. I Cannot Live Without You, ice cream. Good Times, Memories, Lazy Days, and a date one. Really useful, the date ones. And the other side is a blue. Now remember, if you don't like any of the titles and you don't like the blue side, you can always trace a template out of these. Use it as a photo mat, cut photo corners, lots of different things. So there's that one. And Fun in the Sun. Everybody could use this one. Fun in the Sun. That's pretty. And then we have Nothing Soothes the Soul Quite Like a Walk on the Beach. I love the beach. Wave, high dive, surfs up, ocean, wipe out, sun. Yep, love this. And then we have this. Summer means happy times and good sunshine. And the great thing about these is that there's color. They're beige, yellowish chevron pattern on the back. So you could use that for photos if you want. But I like these titles. Summer means happy times and good sunshine, and good vibes happen on the tides. And the great thing about these titles is, look at this. You can cut your title out in the shape of the swoosh. See that one? And then that one. So these are really, really cute page titles. I really like the colors that they've used in this kit. I've liked almost all of the paper, both sides. I think there's only one or two that I would use side B on. I love the templates. I love the title cards. So now you know what I like. Just about all of it. I'm going to leave all the information on the Kiwi Club down below on how you can join. If you join by the 20th of the month, I would actually do it on the 19th, you will be receiving this kit. If you join after the 20th, you will be receiving next month's kit. Now remember, this is on a availability. They might sell out, but as of right now, this is the kit you will get. Remember, you can get the template only, or you can get the premiere, and I'll have all that information down below. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. Please. I enjoy seeing new subscribers. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.